Hello, this is a video tour of number 31 Pineapple Road. The house is a 3-bedroom end of terrace property and is approached via a gated driveway which leads through to a large foregarden area. You can see that the drive itself is paved, and on the right there is a gravel foregarden area, and it's the initial foregarden of 2. There is then a step down leading to a further paved area which provides access into the property. There is access to a shed, and at the rear of the driveway there is a further pathway leading to gated access into the rear garden. You'll see as we turn around that the driveway opens round to the left, where there is a great amount of space. At the rear you can see that there are raised levels which is paved with a feature tree, and there is also a gravel laid area as well. This space could be landscaped into a decent size garden. You've got the view back onto the road at the front as well. Now, leading into the house there is an entrance porch with a wall mounted light, a step up into the porch itself, and there are windows to the rear and also side aspects in here. There is a ceiling light point. The ceiling and the walls are panelled, and there are tiles to the floor. And on the right there is a further door providing access into the hallway of the property. There is a ceiling light point in the hall, a radiator on the left behind the entrance door, and at the rear of the hall there is a staircase that leads up to the first floor accommodation. The living room faces the front of the property, and in here there is a bay window overlooking the foregarden. There is a window to the side as well. There is a ceiling light point with a ceiling rose, decorative coving. There are 2 radiators in the bay. There is also an EnviroVent in here for ventilation, dado rail, a further wall mounted electric heater. There is a small stone / brick cupboard, and there is also a brick built fireplace with a recess, and there is a stone hearth, and in the corner space for a TV. Now, the sizes of this room and all of our rooms are available on the sales particulars, but it's a nice sized living room in here. The door ahead leads into the kitchen. Leading into the kitchen, there is a window to the rear, a door opening to the rear garden. There is a ceiling light point. The walls are partially tiled with metro tiles, and there is a fitted kitchen comprising of wall, drawer and base units with wood effect work surfaces over. There is plumbing in space for a washing machine, an inset 1.5 bowl stainless steel sink with a mixer tap over, double oven with a gas hob over and a cooker hood, and there is also a recess providing space for a fridge freezer. The flooring in here is tiled as well. Now, from the kitchen there is an opening to a small lobby where there is a high level obscured window to the side, some panelled ceiling, and there is also tiles to the floor. On the left there is a door leading through into the shower room which has an obscured window to the side, a ceiling light point, fully tiled walls, tile effect wood flooring. There is a small radiator behind the door. There is also an enclosed shower cubicle with a wall mounted electric shower. There is a hand basin with a mixer tap over and vanity space below, and there is a recess providing space for storage as well. The loo is separate and does have an obscure window to the rear, a ceiling light point, a wall mounted boiler, tiled walls to half height, low level flush WC, and there is a radiator, and the flooring does continue through from the lobby. The first floor of the house is accessed via the entrance hall with a turning staircase leading up to the first floor landing, where there is a ceiling light point, access into the loft, a radiator, and doors to bedrooms 1 to 3 and the WC. Bedroom number 1 is located at the front of the house and has a window that overlooks the foregarden, a ceiling light point, a radiator below the window, and there is a range of built-in wardrobes with sliding doors. Bedroom number 2 faces the rear of the house and has a window that overlooks the rear garden. There is a ceiling light point, a radiator below the window, decent amount of space to get a good sized double, and there is also further built-in storage on the far wall as well. Bedroom number 3 is also a decent size and has a window to side aspect, a ceiling light point and a radiator, and in here you can see the views over the lawn ahead and also the space in the foregarden. Lastly, that is the WC, which has a ceiling light point. You'll see that the ceiling and the walls have been newly plastered. There is tiles to half height, a low level flush WC and wood effect flooring. The rear garden can be accessed via the gated side entry from the driveway and also from the kitchen, and comprises initially of a covered seating area, and there is an opening through to a paved patio, and there is a small bedding space on the left and another small area in the rear corner. You can see it's a real sun trap out here, and it's a good add-on space from the room outside the front of the house as well. Now that does conclude the video tour for the property. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided, and we will look forward to seeing you soon.